Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you guys are new. Today I am going to be doing a get ready for Christmas clean with me. I cannot believe how quickly Christmas came up on us. Is it just me or did this year fly by? I am going to be doing this video in collaboration with Southern Oak Homestead. You guys check her out. I'll have all her video information in my description box below. So you guys are going to get a ton of cleaning motivation with us today. When you are done with this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and go check her out and let her know that we sent you. If you guys are here from her channel, welcome. I am so glad you're here. We have similar content, weekly cleaning motivation, DIY and crafts, tons of organizing, motivational stuff for all the mamas out there. So definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button before you go, and let's go ahead and get some serious cleaning done. So as you guys saw, Noah is in the bath and I am going to be cleaning up my bathroom. As you may remember in some previous videos, I like to go ahead and do this while he's in here because honestly, to keep him in the bath for a really long time, because that's the only time he's contained. Mama boys, you know what I'm talking about. So I let him just sit in the bath like it's a swimming pool. I don't care. And I will clean this entire bathroom while he's in there, contained, happy. He's happy and I'm happy. I am wiping down the toilet with my PDI wipes. These are the hospital grade wipes. You see I'm using my gloves. Definitely need to use gloves when you use these wipes. So I'm wiping everything down, including the light switches, because it is the season for kids to get sick, and there has been a bout of impetigo running through the house, which is so disgusting. So these wipes kill everything. I am now going to scrub the toilet bowl. I have been doing a lot better with, even if I don't get to like an actual cleaning in the bathroom, I had just run this in my toilet bowl just to keep it clean. Many of you guys ask why I don't use the disposable toilet brush. I don't know. Maybe a creature of habit. Maybe it's more cost effective not to. I don't know. And honestly, it's not that big of a deal because I clean it, the toilet, with cleanser, and then I put it back in its little caddy. So I don't think it's that big of a deal.
Keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas.
Let me know if you guys want to know some tips on how to keep the bathrooms and the house clean, especially when you need to clean quickly. I've got a lot of tips and things that I do to make life so much easier when I'm cleaning. And one of the little tips is I like to have a cleaning caddy in every bathroom. So
making plans for what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay.
Noah is being quite the character. He is wearing one of those, I don't even know what you call them. They're for my husband when he works outside. They're like these cool headband type things, and he got it wet and he is wearing it as a tube top. Again, he's happy, so I'm happy, and I am getting the cleaning done, so I'm going to let him play with this little tube top. On to cleaning the mirrors. If you guys remember, I believe it was a week ago, and I'm going to link it right up here right now. I did the full-on all-day whole house clean with me. So fortunately, I didn't really need to deep clean and scrub. Just cleaning the mirrors, wiping the toilet down, wiping off the vanity and whatnot was completely fine for this evening. If you guys want an hour straight of cleaning and cleaning music, definitely check out that video. Also remember, my cleaning motivation playlist is in my description box. Check it out. If you don't want to be interrupted with changing videos, that playlist is a lifesaver. If you're like me, I want to get started and I want it to keep on going. I don't want to have to push next because I'm in the mode. So definitely check out those playlists. As you guys can see, I am sorting out laundry. This is the area where when I have a lot of laundry to do, I'll sort it right here, and I will start putting it in the washer and dryer. I will put a load in the evening and get it started first thing in the morning. You guys will have to excuse me, I am dancing around. I am making sure I have fun while I clean. I'm loving my kitty cat Christmas pajamas. As you see, you know I love cats. And honestly, moving around, having some good music playing like it is right now, really helps me enjoy cleaning, and it's a little thing I can do to A, burn calories, and B, have fun. Let me know in the comments below, do you guys sort your clothes or just throw them all in the wash, all colors combined? I am going to use the same paper towel I used for my bathroom when I cleaned the mirrors on this table. I'm really thinking about changing this whole area up. Let me know what you guys think. What should I add above the table? Keeping in mind I have crazy boys. I really want to put a table in the dining room, which is now the playroom. That's always been my dream, to have a really nice formal dining room. It might not be the season of life I'm in, and I'm okay with that, but I definitely know that this area needs to get redone. So let me know what you think I should do with this wall above my table. I'm going to be doing an ultimate deep clean. That will include scrubbing the bench, you know, wiping down the door frames, light switches, baseboards, everything. Let me know in the comments below. Do you guys do it once a year, like an ultimate, like really deep down clean, like a spring cleaning, or do you do it twice a year, you know, beginning of the year and then spring cleaning? Let me know when you guys like to do the deep down cleaning. I'm really interested in seeing what everybody else does. I'm going to clean my countertops off now. The kiddos are in bed. You guys didn't see that part, but the little ones are in bed. The older ones are still up, and this is the time where I finalize all of my kitchen cleaning. I'm going to clean up all the paper in my playroom, and this is also where my daughter does her schoolwork. The printer was jammed, so there was paper everywhere. So I'm going to clean this up, and thankfully it's not too bad in here. The kiddos cleaned up the majority of their toys before they went to bed. I love this antique cabinet. My stepdad gave this to me. It's beautiful. His grandfather actually made it, and I love it, and I think it's perfect to store all of the games. You see I have shoe boxes with the games or puzzles, and it is perfectly stored in there, and it's easy to get to, which is even better. As I mentioned, I prefer to clean in the evening time, and let me tell you, one of the reasons why, I mean there's a lot, but the main reason is obviously because I can get at it and the kids are in bed and they're not asking for anything, so I can just get to it and stay focused. That's my main reason. Also, creative people tend to have more energy in the evenings, and I definitely find that out about myself. So if you guys are creative and you wonder why everything is coming to your mind before you go to bed, that's why. Another thing, and another reason why I like to clean in the evening, is because I can declutter at the same time. The kids aren't there looking at what I'm trying to get rid of. So sometimes you just got to clean in the evening, even though you're really tired. You can declutter too, and then when you wake up in the morning, your house feels so good. Onto the living room. I put the other kids to bed, so I get to do this now, and I love being in here with my Christmas tree all lit up. This tree is specifically mine. It's filled with, more dainty ornaments. The other tree is for the kids and all of the family ornaments, which I love. But I love the way this one is lit up with the 3 little trees. I'm going to clean the kids' bathroom / guest bathroom. Like I mentioned, I already did a deep clean, so this is just kind of maintenance that needs to be done every single week. I am still using the apple cider scent, the Mrs. Meyer's hand soap. Let me know, what is your favorite hand soap? Do you like the Method, the Mrs. Meyer's? Do you prefer just whatever you can get at the grocery store? I love to know what you guys like as well. I love the apple cider, but my son told me he hated it. So now I'm thinking I might need to switch it up. So while I was cleaning up, I noticed I needed to get some toothpaste off of the wall. So that is what I'm doing now. Noah got it everywhere. Okay, you guys, I am done with cleaning this house. I hope you guys got some serious cleaning motivation. I am feeling pretty ready for Christmas. Are you guys ready? Is your shopping done? I hope this helped you guys get some cleaning done. I would love it if you guys would consider subscribing if you haven't yet already. Don't forget to like this video. I have so much in store for 2019 and I don't want to do it without you. So make sure you subscribe. I and feeling so blessed. And I love you guys so much. We'll see y'all on the next one. Bye.
Jingle bells.